Second, to do some activity, you are very skilled, but there is some activity you are not that much skilled. Even you are not interested to learn that skill also. Okay, like you may have such type of things. Consider me. Consider me. I'm the best in teaching. Best. So I have, even if you are going to bring a LKG student also, definitely I can teach in LKG student understandable form. Okay, I'm the best in teaching, I'm sure. Okay, I have full confidence on that, I'm sure. Okay, now the same way, but so in acting or in dancing, I'm not best. I didn't best. Okay, so in some areas I'm not best. Okay, so like but in teaching I'm the best. Like now observe very carefully. So there are some areas where you are very skilled, there are some areas you are not skilled. That division, that difference is also there. Next up, you are doing a number of activities. Okay, for some activities you will get money, but for some activities you may not get the money. Correct, right? Similarly, you are doing some activities. The world, the world needs those activities. Suppose I'm doing teaching. This teaching, the world needs these sessions, these classes, AI classes or life skills classes. Like, is this skill required? World needs this skill or not? Okay, like so 4 questions will be there. If you start, if you answering these 4 questions, if that answer is the same answer for all these 4 questions, that is your Ikigai.